Welcome everybody to World Aquarium Singapore, where we show different aquarium fishes and pets. So in today's special video, we reached the 3000 subscriber mark, and this is a special video on the epic battle between the giant wolffish and the giant snakehead fish. Okay, so the first battle, this is the giant snakehead breeding season, and this giant snakehead is roaming around the river with a lot of vegetation, and he found a resting giant wolffish. Alright, the giant snakehead went in to investigate and started to attack and show aggressive behavior towards the wolffish. The wolffish took first blood and the giant snakehead attacked. As you know, wolffish has very bad attitude and very aggressive, and he immediately bitten off parts of the snakehead, and snake went off. And this is the second battle between the giant snakehead and the giant wolffish. Alright, and do take a look closely to see why that particular fish won this battle. Alright, so later we're going to have a short analysis to see why the fish won the battle. Alright, so enjoy everyone. Did you guess correctly which fish had won the battle? And after what I saw, I analyzed that is due to the bite force and the teeth structure. Look at that, the giant wolffish teeth is so huge. This is why the wolffish won. Okay, next we have two segments. One is the wolffish world and the snakehead world. Alright, so you can choose which segment you want to continue watching. Alright, so right now dive straight into the world of wolffishes. So this is a black wolffish, and the biggest wolffish caught was 1.2 meters. Alright, is pretty huge. Alright, so this is the giant wolffish. Australis from Jacutinga River, Lacerdae from the Kukia River. Next is Braziliensis from Paraguaçu River, Intermedius from Sipo River, Kudurupira Pararabarus River, and the giant Aimara from the Single River. Next is how do you differentiate different wolffish. Alright, as you can see, you can look at the V-jaw line from the diagram below and compare to the different group of wolffish. For male fishes, when you push the anal fin towards the body, you will see a spoon shape, but for a female, you will see a straight shape like that, as you see in the diagram above. And for Aimara, you can see a dark spot that exists after the operculum of the fish. And wolffish lower teeth have plecidentine, which makes it even stronger teeth due to predatory nature of. And for wolffish breeding, the male will dig a hollow in the gravel, and the male actually will take care of the brood. Alright, the percentage is about 61% male and 39% female taking care. And this is actually a wolffish, a very huge wolffish hunting a bird, either a dove or a pigeon. Wow, this is the first time I've ever seen a fish trying to hunt a wolffish. I mean, trying to hunt a bird. Wow, this is fantastic. And in a minute's time, we're going to see different types of wolffish up close. Alright, and also the wolffish versus the tigerfish. So stay tuned. So from here onwards, let's see different type of wolffish close up, right? And also with their stats in the screen as well. Alright, this another epic battle where the black wolffish versus the tigerfish. Alright, so this wolffish was attacked by a catfish on the left hand side. Then the tigerfish swam through, and the two of them have start chasing off each other. And if you want to see giant snakehead fish, alright, just click the link above to go to that video, alright. And next up, you can see the huge 16-inch or 40/cm Malabaricus wolffish, alright. So as you can see, the wolffish, if you try to clean its tank with a tubing, then it will try to attack it. So it's very difficult, and most keepers will have like algae or tank, because the wolffish just to let the cleaners clean them, alright. So next you can see is the gold wolffish, maximum size 35cm, alright. Next is another giant wolffish, the Hoplias Lacerdae, alright, 75cm, maximum size is really huge. And next up is the super giant Hoplias Aimara, alright, the maximum size is 120cm, alright, this is very huge. A lot of aquarium hobbies and keepers love to keep this monster fish, but due to its large size and the ability and its strength, 40 kilo, it can crack a glass panel with its big splash, alright. And so as you can see here, the owner is feeding his Aimara with shrimps, right, prawns. And after the Aimara, right, you will see another huge giant wolffish coming up next, alright. Stay tuned. And yes, next is the Hoplias Macrophthalmus. Alright, this is the next huge giant monster fish, 100cm maximum length estimated. Alright. And next is the very beautiful Erythrinus red rainbow or so-called high fin wolffish. Alright, this maximum length at 20cm. So almost all aquarium keepers can keep this as a species tank. Alright, it's so beautiful. And thank you for watching so far until now. So if you have not smashed and like yet, please smash the like button and subscribe, and please also watch the next video as well. Just click below. Thanks, bye.